Hello there again, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to water this orchid I got this about a year ago and it was half the size of that. It doesn't look real, does it? It looks like plastic. I got a new flowers gonna shoot out from here soon, swelled up. And I got another one on the other side. This one here swelled up. It should probably pop out within a week. And I've got a few more down here which are growing. Now that's a beautiful flower that. Like I said, I got this about a year ago. And all I do is just give it water, nothing else. But you can give it the rice water, or you can go down to the garden centre and get an orchid feed. Now, what I do is I fill this ceramic with water and I leave the orchid in there for about 10 minutes, and then I take it out and I drain the water out and I put it back into the ceramic pot, and I always keep it on the windowsill, not too much sunlight. Like I said, this is a very beautiful plant and I like it so much that I'm going to go and get a few more of this, but different colors. Look how healthy and beautiful this plant is. If you love your plants, you look after them and they reward you with their beauty. So is the leaves, very healthy. Now obviously this is going to need a repot in maybe about a year's time, which I would do, get a bigger ceramic pot and repot this. But that should do alright for another year or so. Right, let's go and water it. That's it, full up. Leave it in there for 10 minutes, let the roots soak up. And all the soil or gravel or wood chips in there, let that soak up as well. Because if you only leave it there less than 10 minutes, the roots haven't had time to absorb that water. Right, 10 minutes later, I can take this out because I know it's solid in there. Yeah. Just let it drain out. Empty the ceramic pot, put the plant back in there. That's it. Here we are. The best place I find this plant to be is on this windowsill where it doesn't get too much sunlight and it's thriving.